Lovely 55-plus secure Park Place community in the Arbor Building West. Loads of amenities. Spacious and bright 1-bedroom, 1-half bath is available west. Great green views, eat-in kitchen, laundry down the hall, lots of closet space plus screened patio. Cable TV, water/sewer plus all amenities included. Avail Early Dec 2025. Extra storage unit close. Enjoy Clubhouse, heated pool, 4 pools, bike/jog path, 6 tennis courts, courtesy bus, 2 local stores, etc. Exercise room, billiards plus more. Great condition for easy move-in. Association approval required. No credit requirement. Guard gate entry to community. No pets or children under 19, $250 refundable security deposit due to association/submission of lease application. Security patrol 24 hours 7 days a week. Clear background check required. Also for sale, currently occupied.